Hi everyone, this is Yoshi. Today I'd like to introduce you to Yakushima, a hidden and wonderful Japanese island. Yakushima live in harmony with nature. The people of the island are doing their best to protect the nature and coexist with it. We would like to ask those who cannot follow the rule not to enter the island. Please follow the island rule when on the island. Yakushima, you can enjoy mountain climbing, hiking, and snorkeling. You can experience the rich ecosystem. You can also enjoy the famous Yakusugi cedar tree, interacting with the animals, scuba diving and snorkeling with turtle and fish, and sightseeing on the island, including endemic flora and fauna such as Yakushima deer, Yakushima macaw, and even observe the loggerhead turtle laying eggs. If you are planning to climb a mountain, please do not forget to submit a climbing notification. When hiking, be sure to bring those items with you to protect yourself. Always bring a portable toilet and dispose of the trash in the designated area. There is a toilet location in the mountain. Please do not disturb the plants. Take your trash home with you. Make sure you use the disposable toilet for your business at mountain. To protect turtle laying eggs. 1. Please refrain from entering the beach from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. 2. Please keep away from the fence of nest. 3. Do not turn on the light around the beach. 4. Do not bonfire on the beach. 5. Do not dig up sand. Collect sand is banned. We appreciate your cooperation. Enjoy Yakushima. Yakushima, a remote island in Kagoshima Prefecture. Yakushima has a population of 10,882. It is the fifth largest island in Japan. Was the first in Japan to be registered as a World Heritage Site, home to giant Yakusugi cedar tree that are thousands of years old and lush forest. With a circumference of 132 kilometers and an area of 501 square kilometers. Distance and travel time. Please note that Wi-Fi will not work if you move away from the main road. This book, available on free Yakushima, is packed with useful information. It is the fifth largest island in Japan. If you just drive around the island, it takes about 3 hours non-stop. However, if you want to go around the island while sightseeing, it will take at least 5 hours or more, depending on the sightseeing you want to see. Tourist attractions are scattered throughout the area, so if you are not good at driving, we recommend taking a tour or bus. Okay, we are going to the main story. You can enter Yakushima by ferry or plane. I explain hotel by end of the video. When you're thinking of Yakushima, you think of trekking, mountain climbing, 1,000 years old cedar tree, and interacting with nature. Sea turtle lay eggs, outdoor sports like snorkeling, surf, diving, and kayaking come to mind. My travel plan for 3 nights and 4 days. It's in Japanese, but you can take a half-day or full-day tour bus to see whole island. You can book online. You can research sightseeing bus Yakuzaru. Western Forest Road. There is oncoming traffic, but the road is only one lane. There are deer and monkey along the way. It is very narrow and dangerous. I recommend taking a tour bus. Tattoo laying egg at Inakahama Beach from May to July. You can only visit by joining a tour from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. We recommend to stay at nearby hotel. Full day tour are including lunch. This place said to be the setting for Princess Mononoke, directed by the Hayao Miyazaki of Studio Ghibli. One of the reasons I visited to Yakushima this time was to see turtles laying eggs. After the bus tour, we will continue sightseeing by rental car. There are local buses on the island, but please note that they are run infrequently. We recommended renting a car, but there are limited numbers, so please make your reservation as soon as possible once you have decided on your trip. To drive in Japan, you will need an international driving license. Please remember to prepare it before you leave. Turtle nesting tour available by tour only from May to July. Reservation required. Videos and photos are not allowed on the tour. Please see yourself and take home the excitement. You can take a photo with the life-size turtle model. At 5 a.m., the hotel owner, who is a member of a turtle conservation group, will be conducting conservation activities. You can join it and observe the activities. This video of turtle laying egg was provided to me direct by the owner of the turtle conservation organization where I stayed. Apparently, the turtle was still laying eggs after 5 a.m. the day before I stayed there. At 5 a.m. in the morning after I stayed, I observed conservation effort being carried out to move the egg to the safe location. Many people are working to protect the turtle on Yakushima. Yakushima is a treasure trove of nature. Please follow the rule and enjoy Yakushima.
これはな、探すのは難しいんだわ。というか、卵を向こうであれしたんだけど、ここで一回で。
July to September, the hatched turtle return to the sea. On Yakushima, you can scuba dive and snorkeling with turtle. On my last day of Yakushima, I went to kayaking early in the morning starting at 5:30 a.m. I stayed at another hotel and they offered an early morning kayaking tour. The tour including breakfast on the small island after the sunrise. Unfortunately, owner doesn't speak English. He's preparing the breakfast for us. Breakfast are freshly brewed coffee, corn soup, a hot sandwich with fried flying fish, and pickles. Eating breakfast in the nature makes me feel glad to be alive.
Already kena juta so much lah.
Breakfast in the wild. There's no toilet, so you have to use the toilet in the bush. Don't forget to bring a portable toilet. That's the only problem. We didn't do any mountain climbing or trekking, but Yakushima is a great place to enjoy those activities. I highly recommend it. Give it a try. Now introducing hotel in Yakushima. First, there's the Tashiro Annex. They offer a variety of room types, airport transfer, meals, and large public bath. It's also conveniently located at a tour bus pickup point. This Japanese inn has a river view from the window. It's a recommended place. The next hotel, Minshuku Inakahama, is the best place to see the turtle lay eggs. Reservation can be made up to 3 months in advance, but I think the website is only available in Japanese. I booked through Rakuten Travel. So you should book the breakfast including plan. There is no dinner service and there's no restaurant nearby. So you should buy bento box and drinks at the supermarket along the way. There are only 5 rooms in total. There is a toilet in the room, but the bath is shared and cannot be used in the morning. first hotel, Yashinoyado, Suwanko, located to Ambo. The reason I chose this hotel was to take the first kayaking tour in the morning, which started at 5:30 a.m. But the owner doesn't speak English. The kayaking tour also starts at 10 a.m.